खबरों में आगे बढ़ेंगे। देश के पूर्व गृह मंत्री और वित्त मंत्री पी चिदम्बरम ने रांची में प्रेस वार्ता कर बीजेपी की सरकार पर जमकर वार किया और कहा कि झारखंड की 81 विधानसभा सीटों पर जनता वोट देकर इस बार भाजपा को जवाब देगी और बताएगी कि आखिर देश में बढ़ रही बेरोजगारी और आर्थिक संकट के लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है। इसके साथ ही पी चिदम्बरम ने लोगों से कहा कि अगर झारखंड में कांग्रेस की सरकार बनती है तो प्रत्येक घर से एक आदमी को नौकरी मिलेगी।
Jharkhand's economy is in even more incompetent hands. In the last 5 years, this state has slided backward very, very badly. Let's look at some data. Your growth rate is a good 2% below the national average. In terms of per capita income, out of 33 states, from 1 to 33, Jharkhand is at 28. And now it has fallen to 30. When Mr. Raghubar Das became Chief Minister, it was 28. Today it has fallen to 30. India's economy is in deep trouble. Now, deep must be spelled not D-E-E-P, it must be spelled D-E-E-E-E-E, some 20 E's, and that is the kind of debt to which Indian economy has fallen. In February 2019, the Reserve Bank of India projected the growth rate for the current year at 7.4%. In December 2019, in a matter of 10 months, it was reduced to 5%. Never before has it happened. In 10 months, the Reserve Bank of India reduces the projection from 7.4 to 5. It will go below 5. Let me caution you, it will go below 5. India's economy is in incompetent hands. The problem with Jharkhand is, if India's economy sinks, Jharkhand, which is one of the poorer states, will sink even further. Now I know that the Prime Minister comes here and says double-engined growth. Double-engine growth is good if the two engines pull in the same direction. But if the two engines are pulling in opposite directions, this is what will happen. That is precisely what has happened. The double-engine growth has actually increased Jharkhand's debt from 43,000 crore in 2014-15 to 85,000 crore in 2018-19. It has actually doubled. Every Jharkhandi has twice the amount of debt today than what he had in 2014-15.
Kindly repeat the data.
You want the data on debt? Debt was 43,000 crore in 2014-15. In 2018-19, it is doubled to 85,000 crore. State debt.